For Wall Street Media, this is Isabella. I'm here with Doug, and we'll help you make money in the stock market with information you can't find anywhere else.
Hello there.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. We're going to be polite and nice this show?
Yes, okay. As I was instructed to be.
Yeah. And all of a sudden that took hold?
Well, every now and then, if you say something enough times, eventually it lodges in his head and, you know.
Be on time. Be on time.
What? Wait, what is this on-time concept, you know?
Excuse me.
There are certain African tribes that don't even have a word for, you know, time or,
yeah.
or hours.
You know what they are? They're called French model tribes. What do you have here for the nice traffic? There was traffic.
I was sleepy.
It was that's a little closer to the truth. Okay.
I was so sleepy.
It's only 4 in the afternoon. He's ripped you out of bed again.
I know. Oh my God, it's so early.
I know.
Okay.
It'll be happy hour soon. Don't let it worry you.
I've already had a. Never mind. I was sleeping.
Why don't you tell the nice people what happened today while you were sleeping and drinking?
Oh my God, Evan Thompson. Somebody who probably never does such a thing. I shouldn't even be allowed to say his name. President and CEO of Acuray, A-R-A-Y, announced this morning that a Canadian academic cancer center has purchased Canada's first cyber knife system.
Yeah, I saw this cross the wire this morning.
What is a cyber knife system? This is just like science fiction paradise for me. Just little stories shoot up in my head and I'm lost in my fantasy world. Fabulous. What is this fabulous cyber knife? What? I want to know. Okay, I need to make a little list. I'm going to go home and Wikipedia everything.
Okay. If you need investing help, Investopedia. If you need Isabel's help, Wikipedia.
Wikipedia for
fun
and
They use it for tumors. It's non-invasive. It uses lasers and stuff to treat tumors. It's really cool stuff. They do in Japan, Canada. That's
like from Star Trek, you know, and like Dr. McCoy, is that his name? He was very upset in the 4th film because he came back to the 90s and they were like butchering people, he said. Yes, anyway.
Let me pull you back here.
I did have a drink already. Also this morning, they announced that Japan's Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare approved the CyberKnife system for extracranial tumors.
Good stuff.
Good stuff, yeah. Christopher Clement, president and CEO of Savient Pharmaceuticals, SVNT, talked about their PureCase product for the control of uric acid in patients with gout, for which he said that FDA action date will be the first half of 2009, and they are looking to partner outside the U.S. to launch the product internationally.
Exciting stuff.
Yes.
I'm not going to say anything about 2009 because you'll say, the future!
What are we going to do?
She does every time.
It is. It's so exciting.
It's the future.
It just seems, you know.
For biotech, it's very soon.
2008 is like so boring. Why are you talking? I'm trying to tell about my deep-seated fantasies and everything. 2009, it just sounds like, you know, when everybody will be wearing the unisuits and things like that.
Or that kind of stuff.
Or this kind of thing, yes.
Barbarella will be back in fashion.
Exactly.
Why don't you tell nice people about Discovery Labs?
Robert Capitola, PhD, President and CEO of Discovery Laboratories, DSCO, talked about surfactant, which is near approval to treat respiratory distress syndrome in premature infants. This is terrible. I totally have to cough.
Could someone please call the agency quickly?
I think my hair.
From now on, we want photographs and some kind of like statement, something.
He said, I'm sorry. Breath of fire. He said it is the first completely synthetic alternative to animal-derived products.
Okay, are we good? We ready to make another run at this one?
We shouldn't do these, right?
Yes, we are. We're racing through. It's going to be midnight. We're going to be updating the nice people on what happened this morning.
Okay.
Okay, I know, slave driver.
Work, work, work. James Gower, Chairman and CEO of Rigel Pharmaceutical. Is that Rigel or Rigel? Rigel, because Rigel is a star in the beta system or something.
It's always with the stars and spaceships and science fiction.
That's what all this stuff is. Alright. Rigel Pharmaceuticals, RIGL, reviewed Phase 2b trial results for RZ88 and oral SYK inhibitor for rheumatoid arthritis.
Do you see a Z?
Yeah, I don't see it. I don't think I know.
Is that a Z in French?
Did I say Z? You made me nervous. His fault. Alright. Sorry, I always get confused with 7s and Z's. No,
Z's got another line on it.
I don't know what happened. I apologize to all the viewers. Alright, anyway. Phase 2b trial results for R788, much less fascinating than my version, and oral SYK inhibitor for rheumatoid arthritis. The company aims to file one new IND application in a significant indication each year. They have met this goal since 2002.
Which is nice and important, for biotechs, because a lot of times they're telling you that they have products that they're working on, but they never actually get that far along. Oh. And these guys are showing you they've done that since 2002. That's a really impressive track record.
That is impressive. Far into the future, they shall strive.
Into the future, okay.
Tyler's here today, so I have to just, give him an extra taste of what he's been missing.
Oh, don't believe me, he didn't ask for it.
A little extra punishment for missing so much of my brilliant performances. Anyway, Steven Kriegsmann. That is German for, isn't that for war?
Warrior Man, yeah.
Warrior Man. Steven Warrior Man. I'm dead. These guys are gonna, they're not gonna put up with this for long. Steven.
We're already well past the record.
Kriegsmann, President and CEO of Ciderex Corporation, ticker CYTR, talked about the acquisition of Innovive Pharma this month, which will help to lower clinical and regulatory risks with an attractive and expanded portfolio of clinical development programs in oncology. Joshua Levine, President and CEO of Mentor Corporation, MNT, talked about the FDA approval for Provil Silk in February. The product is lidocaine containing hyaluronic acid dermal fillers that is injected into the face to
What does it do?
Keep going.
I don't know, Doug. You would know more about that than I would, I think.
No, I'm sorry, what does this one do?
It decreases lines and wrinkles.
Oh, does anyone ever need that done?
I wouldn't know.
Okay.
I wouldn't know. I was told I looked like an angry, wounded 12-year-old in my pictures today.
Not by me.
No, not by you. No, not by you. I looked like an upset 12-year-old. What is
by the photographer?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Like
Let's just get that clear.
The photographer. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know that would be such a shocking thing. If, a sad 12-year-old, they happen sometimes, and then you give them a lollipop and they're happy again. What is wrong with that? As I am, happy again. Yeah.
Are you happy again?
Yeah.
Okay, what else did this nice man say?
I just tend to look pouty in my pictures a lot. I'm French. What can I say?
I know, it's awesome. It's fantastic. It's so dramatic every day.
I know, it's anyway. He said they have manufacturing agreement with Genzyme.
Tyler's not going to stand for all this messing around either, by the way.
I just want you to know. He's much more,
German Mike's
angry with his pointing.
German Mike's like he encourages it. He's giving you the
you. Yeah. German Mike's giving the sultry points. Yeah, Tyler definitely is the authoritative.
We're going to wrap up. Why don't you tell the nice people, do one more?
We'll do one more, okay.
Yep.
Alright, I have to scroll back up.
But this is going to have to be without a story about you.
Okay.
And even if it sounds like stars or is in the future?
Or 12-year-olds who are...
all of that.
Not, upset in a bad way at all. Stephen Engel, Chairman and CEO of Zoma, XOMA, said they expect results from diabetes studies with XOMA 052 in the third quarter of 2008. And once they have that data, we'll then start a gout study, an RA study, and an SGA study using the drug. He also talked about their recent $55 million funding facility based on future royalties and projected their cash burn for '08 at $25 million. We're here every day at Wall Street Media. You can find us directly at WSMCO.com. Thanks.